Our smartphones provide greater connectivity to all aspects of our life. That's why the MyCitroën app allows you to get the most out of your Citroen. For full electric or hybrid customers, the MyCitroën app now includes e-remote control. You can view your charge state, charging status, charge rate, and estimated range, as well as remote starting and programming of your charge, in order to benefit from the best charging tariffs. Precondition your vehicle while it's still on charge from anywhere, allowing you to efficiently maximise the range of your Citroen. Using the app couldn't be easier. If you've already got a Citroen Service Store account, that will also be your login for the app. If you haven't created a MyCitroën login yet, you can do so on the Services Store or via the app itself. Once you've downloaded the app, you need to follow the instructions on screen to activate your account and connect your phone and car via Bluetooth. You will need your VIN number, so be sure to note that down before you start. You can locate your VIN number at the base of your windscreen or in your handbook. Once you've set up your connection directly to your vehicle, the app is intuitive and easy to use. You can access things like video tutorials, handbook, book an appointment with your local retailer, manage your connected services subscriptions and navigation map updates, view the latest news, exclusive offers, and after-sales promotions, all there to help you get the most out of your Citroen. For more detailed information on how to use the app, visit the Citroen website, where there are lots of handy tutorials to support you.
Citroën.